Hi everybody, we're going to talk about what's on. So today I'm wearing the Armoury's safari jacket. This is a custom one I made for myself in Marling & Evans cloth. I'm wearing the Indoorsman sweater. This is the version made out of alpaca. I'm wearing also an Armoury polo shirt. A pair of the Armoury's Army chinos, which is kind of our full leg, heavier weight cotton chino. CQP sneakers in brown suede, and a Zissou watch cap, also by the Armoury. So why am I wearing this today? Well, I am flying to Italy tonight. Actually, this year, rather than the Armoury going to Pitti, which is the big men's trade show at the beginning of January, we're going to go directly to a lot of the factories that we work with as a team. So our buying team and also our creative content team, we're all traveling together, and we're gonna hopefully have a very productive little field trip. I'm really excited. It'll be fun to just travel with such a nice group of people as well. And I wanted to show you kind of what is a really standard traveling outfit for me. You know, like I almost always wear safari jackets when I'm flying long haul, because like having the extra pockets is really handy. I mean, you got 2 on the hips, 2 on the chest, 2 on the inside of the jacket as well. The Indoorsman sweater, especially the alpaca one, it's really warm. So if you were, you know, if you just need a little bit more warmth, like it's perfect for that. The polo shirt is obviously stretchy. It's very comfortable when you're in a tight little airplane seat. And then the Army chinos are great as well. Full leg, you never feel kind of constricted in them. And in the winter, if you need to wear a pair of long johns or something like that, like they'll fit very easily underneath. And then as for the sneakers, like, you know, I prefer wearing suede or canvas sneakers on the plane rather than leather shoes, because obviously like your feet do expand and contract a lot when you're flying, and it's nice to have something a little bit softer on your feet. All right. Because I'm going to be on the road, you might see a little bit less Armoury content than usual, but we'll aim to at least do some kind of interesting little shorts talking about all the different places we're going to and all the interesting people we'll meet along the way. So stay tuned, and that's it for now. Thanks for watching.